Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create custom shape social media header for business. Start with a 1:3 ratio canvas, then add a darker rectangular shape as the base. Insert a diagonal bar shape for modern corporate styling. Duplicate and resize to create a layered ribbon effect. Now add a circular frame for the profit image placeholder. Insert thin line shape for separating content zones. Then add a rectangular highlight for your company tagline. Place a polygon shape. Add low opacity behind text for depth. Add minimal icon shape for location, phone, and website. Keep spacing constant.